Hi, good morning, and welcome to Writing 213. This is spring 22 and the first day of the semester. I'm Carrie Aldrich. Nice to meet you all. I've had a really hectic last week. Over the course of 8 days, we had 3 canceled flights and just arrived back in Anchorage really late last night, so I'm a little bit behind on my game this week. But every week I'll post a video for you either on Sunday or Monday morning that'll explain what is expected for the week. I'm here in our Google Classroom, so you can see my welcome messages and a Google Docs tutorial. If that is something that's new for you, you'll want to check it out. But some of you are pros who have been using Google Classroom for a long time, and you might not need it. I've included all the important course documents here. Please open the course directory and add your name and contact information. And be sure that you read the course syllabus really carefully. You'll take a quiz over the syllabus due by Wednesday. I've also included the course breakdown, the course calendar, and some tools for if you have connection issues, as well as APA style templates, which is the preferred style manual in the sciences. I've also included a list of frequently asked questions I get from students, and if I get more throughout the semester, I'll add them here. So you should be here in week 1, and you'll see that I've included media for the week. That's the reading that you'll do. Sometimes it's videos. This week I'm having you start out by watching some videos by our research librarian that will get you set up for success on your first project. This week by Wednesday you should complete a syllabus quiz, which is here in Google Forms. Make sure you read the quiz, or that you read the syllabus first and then take this quiz. It will be recorded automatically when you finish. And then the next assignment that you're going to do is an introduction to the class. Oops, there we go. So here in a shared Google document, I have written an introduction to you all telling you about myself, and I'll ask that you do the same. You'll write it in the same shared Google document. So I have my introduction here, and then the next student can type their name here and write their one-page introduction following it. And that way we can all read one another's introductions and comment on them. The final thing you're going to do this week is complete a communication inventory in the same manner as the introduction. So here in a Google Doc, I've explained what I'd like you to include in your communication inventory, and then I've modeled the assignment here myself. So you can read mine, and then I'll ask the next person who's writing to put their name here and to write their communication inventory below. It might get a little confusing if there's many of you working in the document at the same time. But don't worry, you're going to get used to it. We're going to use Google Docs a lot. I'm not necessarily pro Google as a company, but I am pro Google in terms of the interaction that it allows us to have in our asynchronous classroom. So it's worth knowing the program well to do well in this class. So make sure you check in with me anytime if you have questions. My office hours, as I let you know on the syllabus, are on Tuesdays and Thursdays. You can find them here in the course syllabus. So my office hours are on Tuesday from 12:30 to 2:30 and on Thursday from 12 to 2, or by appointment. If those times don't work for you, just send me an email and let me know some times that do work, and I'll do my best to meet with you. I'm really looking forward to working with you all this semester in writing in the sciences. Just let me know if you have any questions. Take care.